Let me clear something up real quick. If you are an employee and you hear that a certain technology is going to free up your time, you should be scared. You're about to get fired. Automating tasks is good if you own stock in the thing that you're working on. Automating tasks is bad if you are an employee of the company you are working for, unless you are the one actively pushing for and implementing the automation. But let's go ahead and move on to something else that Google is doing that is much more applicable to everyone. Google researchers have introduced a method called brain to music that aims to reconstruct music from human brain activity captured using functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI. The process involves predicting high-level semantically structured music embeddings from fMRI scans using a deep neural network to reconstruct the music. In simple terms, Google is developing a way to recreate music based on how our brain responds while listening. This was the Today Show, and we'll be discussing these stories on Friday in my newsletter.